Welcome back everyone. Today's recipe is a chimichurri and we're going to do it in the Vibe blender. It's going to be super quick and easy. There's nothing to this, but it's one of the most versatile condiments you'll find. This Argentinian classic is perfect for elevating everything from grilled meats to potatoes to fish, and it's so easy in the Vibe blender. We're going to get straight into it now. Chimichurri is packed full of amazing flavors. Basically, it's fresh herbs, a little bit of chili and garlic, some olive oil, and some red wine vinegar. I'm going to start by preparing the garlic and chili. Add 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil to the blender jug, along with 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar. Add 3 to 4 garlic cloves roughly chopped and 2 red chilies that have been de-seeded and also roughly chopped. Add a teaspoon of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Pulse these ingredients until the garlic and chili are finely chopped. Next, add 2 cups of tightly packed fresh parsley leaves and 1/3 cup of fresh oregano leaves. Insert the tamper into the jug lid and blend on smoothing mode for around 15 seconds, rotating the tamper to push the herbs towards the blades. Open the jug and check on the consistency. You might need to scrape down the sides with the spatula. So it's as simple as that, a few simple steps, some great ingredients, and we've got the best flavor bomb right here. You can enjoy this straight after making it, but it really becomes your best friend when it's had a little bit of a rest. So put it into a container. These Luvele fresh vacuum canisters are perfect for this. Let it rest in the fridge overnight and those flavors will really start to come together, and it will keep in the fridge for up to 4 days. Well, an easy one this week, but a good one. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you give this one a go for yourself at home. Let us know what you're serving your chimichurri with in the comments section below. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our Luvele Life recipes. And if you enjoyed this video, then give it a like for us. We look forward to coming back with another recipe really soon.